This decision was up to me, and the cast was so enormous. It was like 60 people. First, I had to make the lighting plan once I received the set and play around with the visualization so that I know which fixtures go where, and you don't have to invest in anything before you actually try it out, do projects, and you will know what you're getting into. You will know what you're getting into. I'm Abdelrahman Mohamed, a lighting designer and programmer based in the UAE, and I'm from Egypt, studying in my third year in Sharjah Performing Arts Academy, majoring in technical theatre. Talking about the Wizard of Oz Junior production, this is a production that happened at Sharjah Performing Arts Academy, performed by the CYP and BTech students. They have also previously done different musicals like Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, and this was happening in the main theatre in Sharjah Performing Arts Academy.
Dorothy, please!
Don't bother us now. Honey, this old incubator's gone bad.
I've always liked the idea of theater, but didn't see myself performing at all, and also loved the idea of live events and that you always meet different people. So my role was the lighting designer and programmer, and I've decided to overtake using MA3 on that project. I like to start envisioning depending on the set, and then I just play around in visualization software to be able to see what's possible. And one of the most important things for me was being able to convey different spaces, especially that we go through different spaces throughout the story. The cast was so enormous. It was like 60 people. The stage is also quite big and wide. It's 26 meters wide. I've always used the MA products. I've been using it for more than 2 years. I started on MA2. I've did various time code projects just on 3D for fun and learning and developing the skills. This year I've made the switch to MA3, which honestly has been such a game changer in the sense that it saved me a lot of times because of the new features that have been introduced. So the fact that now on MA3 Lite, which is the console that I was using, you're able to output 16,000 parameters, unlike if you're using it on Mode 2, you're only limited to 4,000. This has been like one of the biggest reasons that didn't even make me think, especially because I'm using around 9,000 parameters for this production. I believe the learning curve for getting into MA3 for the first time is very easy, and you can glide through the software with just a couple of hours of practice. And this still means that the possibilities are endless, and you can spend your whole life tweaking it and making it work for you. I think one of those features that have really been a lifesaver in a lot of situations is the selection grid, where you're able to visually see the selection order of your fixtures, which makes you understand how the console is thinking and how it interprets this selection order when you're doing different tasks like phasers, MA tricks, or making complex delay and fade patterns. I would highly recommend using MA3 for people who are just starting out, especially that now with the 3D being part of the software itself, you can really have this as your playground to try with anything that comes to your mind, and it's free, and you don't have to invest in anything before you actually try it out, do projects, and you will know what you're getting into.